Splash Lagoon. Yeah, this is a great boat ride for families, I would say, and also some great theming. And so you do get a little bit wet, but I would say this is a great water ride for 4 or 5-year-olds. We're just getting into a bigger water ride, and like talking of theming and things. You have boats which are very cool. They even have like little water effects to them, and also they have names. So our one is Diffie right now, but that's red one. And there's a load of dinosaur animatronics, which is really cool. And you barely get any wave fun. So if you just want to get a little bit wet, it's a nice sunny day. Paultons Splash Lagoon. And now we are ascending the lift hill. I just love the sound of these pictures. Turning around, about to go the double down drop. Here we go. Back into the station with Diffie on the boat and come off. Great water ride and great for your young kids. There's also a little viewing area, so if you want to watch your kids go on it by themselves, if they're brave enough to, you can always watch them go. So yeah, that's the end of the POV.